In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can automatically save photos to your iCloud. By automatically backing up your photos to the cloud, you protect them from loss or damage, providing peace of mind. To do this, simply head into your phone settings. On the settings page, you will then have to scroll down onto the option of photos. On this page, make sure to enable this option of automatically saving your photos to iCloud. When turned on, all your new and older photos will automatically get saved to your iCloud account. That's how easy it is to enable autosave of photos to your iCloud account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.